All right, y'all. KiloWattRC checking in. Man, looks like I had a little bit more issues than I thought. Looks like this might be the culprit of breaking the gear. This rotor just exploded. Or maybe the gear braking did this. I don't know. You know, this thing spins fast, so any type of shock can mess this up. I just rebuilt the motor. It was real noisy and all that, and I got it dialed in just right with the right bearings and end caps and shims and all that. So let's go ahead and check the KV. And hear the noise. Sounds pretty good. Alright, so got about 1000 kV, 5.2 amps, no load. I can work with that. So we'll get that back in that Losi. But it's pretty crazy how you can, when you break a gear, man, it might be something else broken, man. You know what I mean? It's crazy how that stuff works together, man. The forces collide. What's up, y'all? Jason from Kilowatt. Back at it again. Got this thing all fixed up, ready to go after we broke that gear and geared up a little bit. Had to overhaul the motor too, so I don't know what happened. If the motor went first or the gear went first, I don't know. That stuff works together. You got moving parts and if something locks up or whatever, just how it is. All right, so here's our GPS. Gonna hit track, start, stop, read, 2 mile an hour, track, start. So we're just doing a warm-up pass. We got some little warm-up batteries in here, so we don't expect nothing crazy right now. But at least like 70s or something like that. And keep in mind, it's a little wet out here. Car's gonna get all dirty. The things I do, man, to bring y'all content. Are y'all ready? Let's go. You heard that TP motor, she was getting it in. TP motor was getting it in, guys. She was screaming too. Let's see what that was. TP motor was screaming. Stop, read. So I was 80 miles an hour. All right. That thing was cooking. So, should we look at the log? We'll do one more pass and we'll look at the log, okay? So it's a quick 80 real quick off some warmer batteries. So hit track, start, stop, read, 2 mile an hour, track, speed's registering, start. Yeah, that TP motor, man, whoo, that nice little overhaul, man, that thing's screaming, boy. Now them geese are gone, so I can go the other way. That thing was screaming, sounding good. We're all running the Mad 20 ESC, most gangster ESC out right now. It's just gangster, I'm sorry. There's a lot of other gangster ESCs, but this thing is just like, it's just gangster. The amount of power that it allows. Mac Components, great job, man, for coming out with this, man. And then doing the updates to the firmware and all that, man. Awesome job, guys. Let's see what that was. Guys, this thing is cooking, y'all. I'm not even on like a real speed run field. You know what I'm saying? She is cooking. Wow. ESC motor not on yet. Stop, read. 81 miles an hour. That is crazy. All right, guys, and then we should look at the log. All right, y'all, let's see if we can connect to this ESC. All right, we are connected. Let's go ahead and download this data. And we'll be back in a minute, all right? It's gonna take some time to download this. All right, we're back at it, guys. Here's a log. I'm not sure if you guys could even see it. I will overview everything. If it looks crazy, I will put the actual data on the screen. Let's see, so the first pull, 80 miles an hour, we peaked at 373 amps, 38 volt sag. And it says what, 31,800 RPMs. I don't know if the RPMs are correct. I'm not sure. Second pass, did 81. We peaked at 354 amps at 39 volts, 33,000 RPMs. EC temp, 35 degrees Celsius. So if y'all can't see this stuff, I will put it on the screen. The setup is running really good, guys. I'm real impressed with it. I'm real impressed. Yeah, out here rain, hitting 81 miles an hour. Not bad at all. So here's the setup. Mac components, ESC. We got some TATA Basher 6S 6 amp hour batteries in here. These are Basher lipos. You know, not a crazy. They're not too crazy big. They do pack a punch. Got the TP motor that we modified in here. I upgraded to a, what is it, a 16T pinion? 16T pinion. KiloWattRC mod 1.5 gear. And yeah, I have a dual mount on here because this is a dual build, but I'm running one ESC for now. So thanks for watching, guys. We will see you in the next video. All right, peace.